Imagine applying for dozens of jobs without lifting a finger. With Lightforth's Auto Apply feature, you can automate your job applications so you never miss an opportunity. In this video, I'll show you how to set it up and let Lightforth do the heavy lifting for you. Let's get started. Hey there, I'm Troy from Lightforth. If job hunting feels overwhelming, Auto Apply is here to save you time and increase your chances of landing interviews. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up Auto Apply in a few simple steps, customize your job search preferences and let Lightforth find and apply for jobs while you focus on other things. Let's go. Step 1. Log in to your Lightforth account. First, log in and head to your dashboard. Step 2. Select a profile. Go to Auto Apply settings. Choose which profile you want Lightforth to use. This ensures your applications are tailored to the right jobs. Step 3. Complete Auto Apply setup. Attach a resume that you want recruiters to see when your application is automatically sent in. You can use Lightforth to create a new resume. After uploading your resume, review and confirm your details, then you are good to go. Auto Apply only works when you download and run it in your Chrome extension. Step 4. Track your applications. Once Auto Apply is running, check your application status in the dashboard. You can pause or adjust settings anytime. Say goodbye to repetitive applications. Log in to Lightforth and activate Auto Apply today. Your next job could be just a click away.